it would have taken only 10 minutes. Why don't you try it once? You won't have to take any medicine.
Try. Pronounce it as try. Mithai, I don't understand something. You are so good at so many things. Why don't you study a little? At least I won't have to hear the wrong English if you study. No, seriously. At least you won't speak incorrect English. Please try to understand. Anyway. Do whatever you want to. I won't refuse. If I refuse, you'll go and complain to Grandpa. Mithai, don't play any pranks on me. What are you doing?
Everything. Lift your feet. There's a procedure for everything. Got it? I'm sure. You'll experience the magic that's in Mithai's hands. He could have told me. And I would have given him a massage every day. Sid would have got some relief. Great. I think Sid has got relief from the headache.
Hey! Who's it? Why are all of you laughing? Mithai? Why are they laughing? What did you do? What happened? Say something.
Wow, Sid. Very nice. This hairstyle looks great on you. Very nice. Brother, I can't believe this. There's magic in Mithai's hands. Wonderful. Very nice, Sid. You look great.
Just like a schoolboy. Hey, Mithai, what have you done with Sid's hair?
Why are you reacting in this manner? No. He looks great. He really looks nice.
Hey, Sid, come downstairs with me. Grandpa's calling you. And Grandma and Grandpa will be very happy to see you. I swear. Hey, come on. Shri, take him downstairs. Come on. Come.
Come on, let's go.
Brother Ratul, is Mr. Bittergourd looking awful? Actually, he got a headache, so I hope nothing will happen.
Mithai, don't worry at all. Sid will definitely value your care someday. Don't be nervous. It's very rare to find such people. Hmm? Everything will be fine. Don't worry. Okay? Come downstairs.
Oh Lord, Lord, please ensure that they don't make fun of Mr. Bitterguard, or he'll be surely hurt. Oh Lord, I don't want it. Mithai doesn't want it at all.
I'll leave now, Sushma. Okay?
You could have spent at least a night here.
Hey, look at you. You've started crying again. Next year, I'll come and spend at least a week at your place. I have come with a lot of work. Siddheshwar, bye.
You have promised you must visit us again.
Of course. Stay well and stay healthy. And whenever you get the chance, come to my place also. Well, where are the others?
Hey, Grandpa, we have come with your favorite grandson. Grandpa, look at your grandson. Doesn't he look handsome? Oh, my brother Sid. Look at your hair. What kind of hairstyle is this? Who has played this prank on Sid?
Hey, Nipa, what's wrong with my hair? They are laughing at me but not telling me anything. What's wrong?
Nipa. Your choice is too loud. Okay, Grandpa, you tell me, isn't Siddharth looking like a typical Bengali gentleman?
Brother, absolutely right. I totally agree. Sid follows Western ways. Mithai massaged oil on his head and turned him into a bong gentleman. Mithai, well done.
Just a second, Ratul. Which oil?
Yes, coconut oil.
What type of oil is this? Hey, Mithai. What is Ratul saying, huh? Siddharth. How come you agreed? What?
Oh, I don't understand. Why won't he agree? Every man listens to his wife after marriage.
Yes, that's what I do.
If Mithai has chosen this hairstyle for Siddharth, then he should keep this hairstyle. And I'm sure you will look smart in this hairstyle. You may say anything, but I'll mention one thing. Siddharth looks smart in every hairstyle.
You're absolutely right, Grandpa. There is no one as handsome as my elder brother. Hey, Nipa. Why are you so upset? Look how sweet Siddharth looks.
Okay, then I'll leave now. Stay well, all of you. Stay blessed, all of you. Bye, Siddheshwar. Bye.
Great, Grandpa.
Yes?
I'll drop you off to the car.
Of course. Let's go. Sushma. Bye.
Come.
Lord bless him.
Grandma, Grandma, I saw Grandpa getting inside the car. Did he leave? Did he have dinner?
Yes, he has. But he has a small appetite, just like Siddharth. If you could have come a little early, you could have met him.
At least they have met. Listen to me, Som. Many miracles have happened in this house today. Siddharth Modak has suddenly transformed. He went to the market with a bag and bought fish for us. No, you were against the 1 month challenge, Siddharth, and Mithai have taken up, so I informed you. Even granduncle said how much he liked them as a couple. What, Siddharth? Isn't everything changing gradually? Tell me.
Hey, Mithai, come here. Sid, Mithai has upheld your honor. That's so sweet of her. She didn't let humiliate in front of everyone. Mithai, this is the duty of an ideal wife.
Mom, you may say anything, but I must solve the mystery behind this oil now. Siddharth, step aside. How come you agreed to use it?
Aunt, don't say anything. Are you looking at Sid's face? He'll get very angry. Hey, Mithai! Why do you look so upset? I'll say something. I guess Sid had a headache, so you gave him a head massage, right?
Siddharth? Look at your condition. Everybody is making fun of you and you are tolerating it. I'm not going to tolerate all this. I know everybody is angry with me. I know that. But I'm not going to accept all this, Siddharth. He's my younger brother. And I love him. I'm feeling very bad for him because I love him. Siddharth, remember one thing. You are not like us. This girl has made you a laughing stock and you have accepted it. Why? For whom? Tell me. Why are you going away? Answer me. Come on.
Som, what's the matter? Why are you so angry with Mithai? What has she done?
She didn't do anything. She didn't do anything. I'm sure all of you will accept that Mithai isn't worthy for Siddharth. And I don't understand why all of you are misleading Siddharth. Sorry. I said all this only for my brother. I'm sorry. Darsha, come today. You need to come and speak with Siddharth today. Remember one thing. You are not like us. This girl has made you a laughing stock and you have accepted it. Why? For whom? Tell me.
Shom was absolutely right. I'm not thinking about myself as I'm concerned about my family. I've become a laughing stock. They always laugh at me. Come on, I'm Siddharth Modak. Focus, Sid. Just focus. It's sticky. All said and done, I've got relief from the headache. What do you want? You've made me a laughing stock before everybody. Everybody laughs at me.
I have made a mistake. I wanted to give you relief, Mr. Sid. I didn't know that they would laugh at you. Mithai never wants Sid to be a laughing stock at all. You believe this, right? I'm speaking the truth.
It's okay. Forget what has happened. But I've got relief from the headache because of your head massage. So thank you for that. I'll go and shampoo my hair.
No! You don't have to go anywhere. I'll brought everything here. I'll wash your hair. Got it? Since Mithai is responsible for this damage, she should rectify it. If Sid falls sick or contracts a fever by taking a bath at this order, everybody will blame Mithai for it. Sit here. I'll give you a hair wash like they give in parlors.
Parlor. The word is parlor. Huh? P-A-R-L-O-U-R. You mispronounced damage and parlor. Please don't speak like this before me. It infuriates me.
So I won't say. Will you let me wash your hair if I pronounce properly? Okay? No parlor. I'll pronounce it as parlor. No damage. 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 Okay?
Better. I have to tolerate so much nuisance. What will you do? How will you wash my hair?
Yes. Come. Sit here. I'll do everything for you. I'll wash your hair. I'll dry your hair. Mithai can do everything. There was a parlor in Jonai. Parlor. There was a parlor in Chennai from where I learned everything. Wait, I'll be back.
Even your Lord Gopal doesn't know what you can do. Do anything you can in this 1 month. My turn will come after 1 month. Then we'll see.
Why? What will you do after a month? Will you make me do sit-ups?
I'll pull your ear and make you study. You must get proper education. In fact, after this 1 month challenge is over, this will be my condition. So get ready for it.
Mithai won't stay in this house after the 1 month challenge is over. She won't stay here. Never.